Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ni Aziz Hazimi bin Ni Ahmad Maiza. Matrix number DE220160. I'm from cluster BEP-10 and this is my prototype. So as you can see, it is a traffic light, but it isn't a regular traffic light. It has a function that will switch to override mode so that the emergency vehicles can pass through the traffic light intersection with easily. So let me explain a little bit about my prototype. It is equipped with a receiver's controller unit that has LoRa SX1278 with 433 MHz external antenna. It is also equipped with ESP32 microcontroller that will process the data packets received from the transmitter controller unit, LoRa also, communicate through the receiver's controller unit. And also the second function of the ESP32 microcontroller is to push the data from the LoRa into the cloud server, which is I'm using Firebase open source cloud server. So the model prototype is equipped with a relay controller, which will basically supply the requirement voltage for the lights to be on. But for this relay, it converts DC signal into AC signal. And then, last but not least, it is also equipped with a router to supply Wi-Fi for the ESP microcontroller. So, that's it for the brief explanation about my prototype. Let me take you deeper onto the how it operates. Now let's move forward with the working principle of the prototype model. But first, let me explain a little bit about geofence. Geofence is a virtual fencing when the transmitter controller unit is entering the geofence, which is set at 150 meter radius. The receiver's controller unit will change the traffic light mode or behavior into override until the transmitter controller unit is exiting the geofence radius. Now, the traffic light controller is behaved like a normal traffic light with the lights turns from green, yellow and red because the transmitter controller unit isn't turned on or simply out of geofence radius at 150 meters. Now let's take a look on the MIT App Inventor user interface. The distance between transmitter and the receiver is 200 meters. This explains why the mode is now normal with the lights condition turned from green, yellow and red, because the geofence border is set at 150 meter radius. Then a transmitter that is equipped with external antennas for the GPS and LoRa is attached in the car, and now when the car is moving towards the geofence, the light will change to green with safety precaution. Then the distance from transmitter and receiver is now 130 meters. Then the mode is changed to emergency with light switch to green with safety precaution to avoid collision. Thank you for watching.